This is not a video game. This is a simulation Enia Code built inside my VS Code. Of course, it works in any IDE, not just visuals, real interactive systems generated and evolving with my code. I'm using Enia Code, not just an AI assistant, but something that actually works with my code base. Let me show you how I did it. I've been using this new AI coding tool called Enia Code directly inside of my Visual Studio Code editor. Everything happens in one place, one chat, full context. It remembers everything I've built and why. But the real difference is this: I don't have to ask. It finds problems before I even notice them. These signals show up while I'm coding, not interrupting, just there when I need them. So let's start off with the first prompt. I want to understand how space-time works. I have no understanding of it. I'm a total beginner. Can you please create the best interactive explainer that you can? And assume I know no math. I need you to teach me the math as a beginner. That's it. That's my prompt. I'm going to hit enter. And we can watch Enia Code in action now. Okay, this took about 2 minutes, but that's pretty short for an interactive of this scale. And you can see it right here. This is the interactive that we started off with. It shows us what space-time looks like very beautifully. And it also breaks my fundamental intuition that space and time are separate. In fact, it's saying that space and time are a part of this geometry, that this geometry of space-time is real. And that's very important these days. What is real? Like, that's why I'm learning physics in the first place, because in this age of AI generated everything slop, it's harder and harder to discern what's real, but we know what's real, math and physics. The idea that time bends, that's literally mind bending. So let's ask it to visualize that in what's known as a black hole, where time is supposed to bend because of the forces of gravitational waves. So I'll ask Enia Code. That was a good start. Now, can you show me what a black hole looks like? Because I don't fully understand it. And it's created a black hole visualization where you can see that time is a direction as well as space, which blows my mind that time is a direction. And we can drag it, toggle variables on the right, see the distances increase and decrease. And that warp of the stars and the space around it is the effects of gravity. We've learned through this simple interactive that no math equation or textbook alone could show us through the motion of the heavenly bodies what space-time is and how gravity fundamentally affects the geometry of space-time. Everything looked fine until Enia flagged something I completely missed. My simulation was making the wrong calculation, and if it were real, it wouldn't have worked. But it didn't even ask me. It caught it before I shipped it. One click and it fixed everything across multiple files. And while I keep working, it runs tasks in the background, refactoring, generating modules, fixing logic, all happening asynchronously. So instead of stopping to debug, I kept exploring. I understand that space-time is not fundamental, but what about distance? Is there some way you could teach me about what distance is using physics terms? It's going to show me a visualization of entanglement by using remotion as a skill. We could see the visual right here of entanglement. Let's watch it real quick. We can see two particles and they're moving across space, across many light years. They're still connected by one shared fate. That shared fate is represented by the Bell state, which describes quantum entanglement, how an entangled state equals the probability of a spin up or spin down, a ways of determining what the state of these particles are. So we've started to drill down lower and lower into the lowest scales of reality, but let's see how low we can go. I want to see how low we can go into the fundamental nature of reality. I've heard of something called the standard model. Can you show me that? Can you visualize the standard model, please? Now, this might be my favorite visualization. This model of the quantum vacuum, it calls it the quantum vacuum symphony. There's already sound as well. And you can see that empty space is actually a violent fluctuation of all these particles colliding, whether they're leptons or bosons or protons, and this shows it perfectly. But apparently it could get even smaller. Like, what's a proton made of? What's a lepton even made of? So I asked Enia Code. Okay, that's great. That's a good start. But what is the most fundamental, smallest scale of reality possible? I want to see how small we get. Show me. Every time I had a question, I didn't leave my editor. I'm not just reading about physics anymore. I'm building it, testing it, breaking it. And Enia keeps me from breaking things that matter. No context switching, no debugging rabbit holes, no second guessing, just flow. Enia isn't just answering questions, it understands my code, finds issues before I do, and fixes them while I keep building. If you're already coding in VS Code, you should try this. This isn't another AI chat tool, it's a different way to build. Try Enia Code free trial.